Whether for wilderness trips, hunting expeditions, or tailgating, the Whynter Portable Freezers are perfect to keep food and drinks fresh on the go. Its highly efficient compressor cooling system is easily powered by a standard AC 110-volt outlet or a DC 12-volt power source such as a car battery. Don't be confused with the novelty-type coolers. Our Whynter Portable Freezer refrigerators are true freezers which cool between -8 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with a fast freeze function to rapidly freeze the items inside. The FM-62DZ is a dual temperature zone 62-quart capacity model. With two separately controlled temperature zones, you can set either zone as a freezer and the other as a refrigerator. The two removable baskets are for easy organization and cleaning. All of our portable freezers come with the upgraded metal side handles, and some of our models have interior lights. They also come with a warning light to help protect against a dead battery. The tough and solid outer case makes them resistant to any jostling or bumps. The compressor of these freezers functions even when tilted 30 degrees. If you want to protect and provide additional insulation for your Whynter portable freezer, the Whynter Insulated Flexible Transit Bag is your best solution. This accessory is available for purchase from our authorized retailers. When you need to take food and drinks fresh on the go or to freeze specific products, the Whynter Portable Freezer Refrigerator line, available in 45, 65, 85, 95 quarts, and a dual zone 62 quarts.
You're at your favorite spot, it's been a couple of days and you've run out of ice. Very inconvenient. This is never a problem, however, if you have an ARB refrigerator freezer. In fact, you can make ice if you choose to. With 30 years of design experience, you'll find a lot of cool features in this ARB refrigerator. No pun intended. The lid. Not always can you open it all the way, depending what vehicle it's in. This one, it pops off very easily. You'll find instructions on the inside and a full O-ring seal. Now the lid is quite thick, and that's because there's a lot of heat gain through the top. We have a high R value compact foam in there, keep things cool. So the fridge doesn't have to work as hard. When you look inside, there's what we call a dairy compartment. It runs about 5 or 6 degrees warmer than the actual fridge does for whatever setting you've got. The internal lining where all the cooling plates are, that's food grade material coating on there. You have a basket you can remove, rotate if you wish. Inside, there's a drain inside and a real powerful LED which points towards the food, not in your eyes when you open the lid. As you may be able to tell, it's pretty warm. It's about 90 degrees where I am today. And nothing's better to be able to grab a cold, frosty beverage from your ARB refrigerator freezer. The operation of this is pretty straightforward. You have an on-off switch, doesn't need much explanation. There's a mode switch here. This allows you to switch through several features. You can adjust Celsius or Fahrenheit. You have battery operation protection circuit, so there's 3 settings there. I'd ask you to have a look at your manual on that one. There's a mode switch also option for the remote monitor. You have 4 channels there, and for information on how that works, there's a link below. The ARB refrigerator freezer is very frugal. It is designed to run on 110 volts, 24 volts, and 12 volts, and it is optimized for 12 volts. In fact, on a day like today, 90 degrees, it's going to pull less than 1 amp hour per hour to keep my fridge down at sub-freezing temperatures. With over 3 decades of experience, we've learned how to build one of these things. We've got steel sides, very robust, plastic top and bottom. Inside, you have stainless steel, copper, aluminum. Nothing that's going to be affected by a salt air environment. Works on angles. If you're in an RV and you don't have it quite leveled out, it's not a problem with this refrigerator freezer. If you're in tight quarters, always remember, leave about 1 inch of space around the cooling vents and such. And if it's going to be really cramped and you need protection, we do have transit bags you can purchase for the outside of the unit. ARB does make 4 convenient sizes: a 37 quart, a 50 quart, 63 quart, and an 82 quart, very large. It's about as big as you can handle by hand.
I'm Emma George. I'm going to show you another great way you can use your Engel. Though a lot of people think Engels are just for camping and four-wheel driving, it's fantastic just to leave it in the back of your car. I find it's really handy when you go shopping. You can actually put all your cold things into the back of your fridge, and then you don't need to worry about racing home to unpack them, and they stay nice and cool for when you need them. Another good thing too, if you leave your Engel in the back of the car, is that say on a weekend when you're taking your kids to sport, or if you're out and about for the day, you can pack your lunches in the Engel, and it saves you a lot of money than actually buying takeaway and junk food. You can actually eat something healthy. While this Engel is in the back of an SUV, you can also put them in the back of a sedan because they're so portable.
For the ultimate fridge freezer for any getaway, camping trip or outback adventure, you can't go past this platinum model from Ryder. With its 60-litre capacity, you're able to take away a huge amount of food for your larger camping trips, which is really handy if you have a big family or a lot of mates. Being a fridge freezer, you're not restricted with what you want to take away with you. The fridge has an easy-to-read LED display and adjustable digital temperature controls, and with a temperature range of -18 degrees to +10 degrees, this unit can either keep your food frozen or chill your drinks the way you like them. Powering the unit is really simple. With the 12 or 24 volt DC, you can plug it straight into your vehicle or truck cigarette lighter. It also comes with the option of connecting it straight to a 240 volt AC power point at home, which is great for cooling it down the night before you hit the road. The fridge freezer has a rugged, fully insulated metal cabinet, keeping it protected against bumps and knocks in the back of your four-wheel drive. It also comes with heavy-duty tie-down handles to keep it secure. With its 2-year EverCool nationwide warranty, you will have a peace of mind knowing that this fridge will keep your drinks cool and your food fresh wherever you are.
Who said you needed ice to stay cool? Keeping food and drinks cold outdoors and on the go just got easier with the all-new, state-of-the-art Anywhere fridge. Imagine a world where you're no longer bound to a wall outlet just to maintain proper refrigeration or freezing capabilities. A world in which you're free to go anywhere at any time without limitations. Well, imagine no more, because keeping food and drinks cold outdoors and on the go just became much easier with the new, state-of-the-art Anywhere fridge. The Anywhere fridge can even be charged from a standard car outlet or just leave it outside. It's solar-powered. Who would have thought technology could improve on something so simple, and yet here it is, the Anywhere fridge. You could even use it for grocery shopping. No need to rush home just to put your groceries away anymore, especially if you're pressed for time. Now you can save time, save money, and save gas with the Anywhere fridge. Wherever your travels may take you, the beach, boating, RV, wherever your final destination may be, the Anywhere fridge is portable and lightweight. It collapses for easy transportation with no hassle at all.
you.